The alarm rings. It's 5 a.m. The room is dark and cold. Your bed is warm, safe, and every part of you wants to hit snooze. But those 5 minutes become 30. And soon, the day starts with a small defeat. This simple choice, get up or stay, holds more power than you think. It's the battle between who you are and who you could be. Staying in bed is easy. Getting up is hard. But growth never happens in the comfort zone. Imagine a different morning. The alarm rings, and this time, you don't hesitate. You swing your legs out of bed, stand up, and keep a promise to yourself. This small action is a victory, the first step in a powerful journey. It's not just about waking up early, it's about deciding to become the person you want to be. The path to an extraordinary life begins with these small, intentional choices. Most people will choose comfort. They'll stay in their warm beds and let winter pass by unchanged. But you can choose differently. This winter, use the season not for hibernation, but for transformation. Build new habits, develop new skills, and emerge stronger than ever before. The choice is yours, right here, right now. Will you let another winter slip by, or will you rise and take control? Every morning is a new chance to start again. The world outside may be cold and dark, but inside, you can ignite a fire. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Don't wait for motivation. Act, and motivation will follow. Your future self is built by the choices you make today. The alarm is ringing. What will you do? This is your call to more. Don't just dream about change. Wake up and make it real. The journey starts now. Get up. Become the person you were meant to be. We talk about leaving our comfort zones, but most of us build our lives inside them. Routines become easy, distractions familiar, and growth stalls. But you weren't meant for a small life. Enter the Winter Arc, your personal training arc, inspired by heroes who disappear to train and return, transformed. For 90 days, from winter's start to spring's first light, you focus on your own growth. The Winter Arc is a conscious rejection of mediocrity, a declaration that you're the main character now. This means choosing difficulty over ease, embracing the cold and solitude as your training ground. While others slow down, you speed up. While others consume, you create. This isn't about small changes. It's a complete shift in mindset and action. The journey isn't for everyone. It takes commitment, discipline, and a real desire for change. For 90 days, you'll put aside distractions and focus on habits that lead to long-term success. This is your time to build momentum and become the person you've always wanted to be. The Winter Arc is your call to adventure. Will you answer it? The next 3 months can be a blur or a breakthrough. Choose to be the hero of your own story. Step into the arc. Step into your potential. The world will notice when you return. This is your season to transform. Don't let it pass you by. Begin your Winter Arc now. We blame circumstances for our lack of progress, but the real enemy is within. Laziness, procrastination, self-doubt. These are the true obstacles. The Winter Arc is about confronting these inner enemies head-on. Every day, you face choices: get up or snooze, eat well or indulge, create or scroll. Each decision is a vote for the person you want to become. Consistently choosing the harder, better path weakens your inner enemy and builds self-discipline. This isn't about changing the world overnight. It's about changing your response to it. Make good habits your default setting. When you master yourself, external challenges become easier. You become unstoppable, not because life gets easier, but because you get stronger. The real battle is always within. Most see winter as a time to slow down, but it's actually the perfect season for growth. The cold and darkness strip away distractions, giving you back your time and energy. You can fill this void with mindless consumption, or with intentional creation and self-improvement. Think of winter as a cocoon, a private space for transformation. Build new habits, learn new skills, and strengthen your body and mind away from the spotlight. When spring arrives, you'll emerge changed. Nature appears to sleep, but beneath the surface, life prepares for rebirth. Use winter to plant the seeds of your new identity. Gather your strength now so you can bloom later. Don't waste this season. Use the quiet and cold to your advantage. Let winter be your launch pad. Transform in the silence. Success needs structure. The Winter Arc stands on 3 pillars: body, mind, and mission. First, the body. Your physical health is the foundation. For 90 days, train daily, eat clean and prioritize sleep. Second, the mind. Read 10 pages of nonfiction daily and practice 10 minutes of stillness, meditation, journaling, or silence. Control your information diet. Consume quality, not quantity. Third, the mission. Choose one major goal, build a business, learn a skill, or complete a creative project. Dedicate at least 1 hour of focused work to your mission every day. Progress in one pillar fuels the others. This holistic approach ensures balanced growth. Your body is the engine, your mind the driver, your mission the destination. Don't just wish for change, build it, step by step. These 3 pillars will support your transformation. Make them non-negotiable. Every day invest in your body, mind, and mission. The results will compound. This is how you build a new you. Structure creates freedom. Let these pillars guide you. The winter arc is your blueprint. Start building today. 90 days can feel overwhelming, so break it into 3 phases. Phase 1, the foundation. Days 130. Focus on consistency. Show up every day, no matter what. Phase 2, the intensity. Days 31-60. Increase the challenge, longer workouts, tougher goals, deeper focus. Phase 3, the solidification. Days 61-90. Make your new habits permanent. Refine routines until they run on autopilot. Each phase builds on the last, turning discipline into identity. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. Lay the groundwork, push your limits, then lock in your gains. By spring, you won't just have new habits, you'll have a new identity. This phased approach keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. Follow the blueprint, and transformation is inevitable. The journey is long, but the steps are simple. Trust the process. Become the new you, one phase at a time. There will be days you want to quit. That's normal. When motivation fades, remember your why. Visualize the person you're becoming. Write down your reason and keep it visible. Focus only on today. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Just win the next 24 hours. Can you do your workout today? Eat clean today? Work on your mission today? Yes. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. If you slip, don't spiral. The rule, never miss twice. 1 mistake is an accident. 2 is a new habit. Learn, reset, and get back on track immediately. The path isn't straight, it's a series of corrections. Your ability to get back up matters more than never falling. Embrace the struggle. It's proof you're growing. Every hard day is a chance to prove your commitment. Keep going, even when it's tough. That's how transformation happens. As winter ends, the world changes, but the biggest change is in you. You'll stand taller, with new clarity and quiet confidence. You kept your promise to yourself. Your body is stronger, your mind sharper, your purpose clearer. But the deepest change is self-respect. You've proven you can do hard things. This power will shape every challenge ahead. The winter arc isn't just about a productive season, it's about a new identity. Your habits are now who you are. Waking up early, eating healthy, working on your mission. These are your new normal. You've installed a new operating system for your life. The journey doesn't end with winter, it's just beginning. Don't retreat as the cold winds blow. See this as your call to adventure. The next 90 days can pass by unchanged, or they can transform you. The choice is yours. Commit, embrace the struggle, do the work, change your habits, and you'll change your life. Emerge in spring as the person you were always meant to be. Your transformation starts now.